Channel. So today I am sharing an amazing recipe of Russian salad. Russian salad is amazing. It's an amazing recipe. It is creamy. It's full of veggies. It has sweet pineapple, and it's amazing. You can just make it in your parties, dinners, or even people can make it in their Thanksgiving dinners or whatever. So it's an amazing, it's a very interesting recipe that I'm going to share with you. uh, you need veggies and fruits for it, for making this amazing Russian salad. It's very simple. You will love it. You can make it. It's so good for even preparing it for your children's lunch box. It's so simple to make. So you can always store your veggies, and you can utilize them and make this Russian salad. So I will share the recipe with you, but before that I just want to tell you that I am a promoter of Get Your Guide, and click on this link and just check out the website of Get Your Guide. It's Get Your Guide is an amazing platform. It's an online travel platform. For example, if those people who just want an online solution for online travel solution, for example, if you do not want to engage with travel agents and you just want to plan your own travels by yourself, then Get Your Guide is an amazing platform. It's so user friendly. You can just plan your travels in whatever adventure, or any you want to do fine dining, you want to visit some zoo, you want to visit some historical place, or any country that you name it is on Get Your Guide, and you can plan your vacations through that website. So please click on the link and check out the entire details about how you can book your travels, and check out my this video, and plan your travels and make memories. That's what I can say. So let's go move on to making the amazing Russian salad recipe. Salad, and for that I have taken some potatoes. I have taken two medium sized potatoes and I have cut it in cubes. I have also taken one half cup of corn. I have boiled the corn. You can also use tinned corns. Okay, this is, I just boiled the corns. I have also taken 3/4 cup of peas. I'm going to boil these peas also, and I have taken two large carrots and I have chopped them up into square. What I am going to put in the what I'm going to use is, I have used 4 tablespoons of cream, full cream. I will be using half cup of mayonnaise. I have taken 1 cup of chopped apples, golden apples. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So now I'm going to mix up all the vegetables and I'm going to add in all these ingredients. So I have added in the vegetables, the boiled vegetables. I have boiled all the vegetables, and I've added the apples, and I have added the mayonnaise, the cream, and the pepper and salt. And I'm going to give it a good mixing. So this delicious Russian salad is absolutely ready, and it looks amazing. So guys, the delicious Russian salad is ready. I have mixed it in very well, and I'm going to now refrigerate it for 1 hour, because this salad is supposed to be eaten chilled. I had no pineapples, but pineapples is also a very good ingredient, that if you can add that in. I only had apples, so I used apples. If you have pineapples, you can add that as well. I'm going to let it get chilled, and this creamy delicious Russian salad is absolutely ready. And you chill it for 1 hour is enough for chilling it in the fridge, and then you can serve it and enjoy it, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and like, share, and subscribe, guys.